to Mary News channel. Today we are going to make clear slime. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and we want 2,000 viewers. Let's make some slime. Today we are going to make slime without table and spoon, without bowl and all. So now I've added in some clear glue. Next we're going to let me fix this. Next we're going to add in the dynamo, a little bit of dynamo. Okay, a little bit of dynamo, and now I'm going to mix it up till it turns bluish, till it turns a blue color, crystal slime. I'm going to name crystal that thing. Okay, let's mix this slime up. We mix it a bit stuck. Wait a minute. Okay, my slime is ready. Okay, we mix more of the slime up. Added too much dynamo wax, but it's turning into slime. Yay, it's the slime. Okay, I feel like ending the video here. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope to see you in my other videos, and bye!